Hi, my name is Sharon. I'm the owner of Damimas Dance, a studio located in Thunder Bay, Ontario, Canada. And in today's short Kizomba tutorial video, we will be talking about the Trocopé step. So today's video is on the Trocopé step. And the Trocopé is a made-up word. It's a combination of three Portuguese words, Trocopé, which means change of foot. So in this step, there will be a contratempo timing for the lead, but the follow will just be stepping on tempo. So it is a step that the follow and the lead are doing different steps. So I will turn around to make it easier, and so we'll start with what the Trocopé step is. So with the Trocopé, the lead will step out on count 1, 1. So it's a saída, so out of the line of dance. Then there's step forward 2, and then the first contratempo step will happen on 3. 3 and 4. So your left foot is in front and your right foot is directly behind on the ball. Then you're going to step forward with your right, 5 and 6. Now your left foot is behind on the ball, and then you're going to tap forward 7, step back 8, step back into the line of dance, 1, tap 2. So if you wanted to end that on the 8 count, you would start off with a basic 3. And I'm going to do it in partner stance. So we'll start off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm going to step out on 7, and as I do that, I'm going to rotate my body 7, 8, because I want my torso to still be angled with my partner so that we maintain that connection. So 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, tap 5, back 6, over 7, tap 8. So 2 things to remember when you're doing this step. No, 3 things actually. So when you're in partner mode, when you step out on 7, 8, you rotate your body to maintain the connection with your partner. When you're doing the contratempo steps, you do it in a way not to disturb your partner because your partner is doing different steps. The third thing is that you tap and have the intention of tapping with your partner. Don't let them transfer their weight, because then they'll be on the wrong foot. So you tap 5, then back 6, over 7, tap 8. So now we're ready with our left to do whatever move we're going to do next. So for the follow, I'm going to move forward because we're going to move back that way. So in partner stance, we're going to start off with the basic 3, 1, 2, tap 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the lead's going to exit. So as the lead exits, I'm going to rotate my torso so that it is parallel with my with the lead. So step back 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, tap 5, 6, 7, tap 8. So let's do it from a different angle. So the lead timing, 1, 2, tap 3, 4, 5, 6, exit 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, tap 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the follow this way. 1, 2, tap 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, tap 5, 6, 7, tap 8. So this is a step for the partner dance of Kizomba, but ladies, you could do elements of the Trocopé when you're doing lady styling, and I have in my lady styling classes have included the Trocopé step to in routines that I've done. So it doesn't just have to be the lead that does the steps. But in the actual partner dance, the lead does the contratempo steps in the Trocopé, and the follow will just step on tempo. So let's put those moves to music. So I hope you enjoyed that video on the Trocopé step. For more information on the classes that we offer, please visit our website at damimasdance.ca and check us out on Facebook at Damimas Dance Studio and on Instagram at Damimas Dance. Thanks for watching.